Hey, if you're a property manager and you've been working with us on your bookkeeping, first of all, thank you. Seriously. But I want to talk to you today about something we've been getting asked about a lot lately. Peter, can you also do our taxes? And the answer is now a resounding yes. For those of you who are new here, I'm Peter Fider. I'm a CPA and I run Meatball Accounting. We specialize exclusively in property management companies, landlords, and other real estate investors. That means trust accounting, clean bookkeeping systems, and making sure your financials are set up the right way so you can scale without things falling apart behind the scenes. That's been our lane, and we're really good at it. But here's what kept coming up. Our clients would finish with clean, accurate books and then have to hand everything off to a separate CPA for taxes. And what would happen? The tax preparer didn't understand property management. They didn't know trust accounting. They'd ask a bunch of questions we'd already answered. Sometimes things got missed. Sometimes it cost more than it should have. It just didn't make any sense. Your books and your taxes should be handled by the same team, people who already know your business inside and out. So we fixed that. Meatball Accounting now offers full tax preparation services specifically for our bookkeeping clients. Again, only for our bookkeeping clients. Here's what that means for you and why it matters. One, no more starting from scratch with a new CPA every year. We already know your books. Tax season is just the next step. Two, everything is in one place. Books, financials, tax return, no miscommunication, no duplicate work. Three, we understand property management, depreciation schedules, rental income, trust account reconciliation. We speak the language. And four, you get one point of contact, us, the team that already has your back all year long. And here's something I want you to hear. Really hear this. You listening? Because we only do taxes for our bookkeeping clients. We are not filing hundreds or even thousands of returns. You know what that means? There is absolutely no reason for you to ever be on extension again. A lot of CPAs put clients on extension not because the return is complicated, but because they're buried. They took on too much. Your return ends up just sitting in a pile. I have a video on that, by the way, on why you are in extension again. Go watch it. That's not us. We know your books, we know your business, and because our client list is intentionally small, your return gets done on time every time. And the most important part, you call us during that time, we will answer you and get back to you because we will have the time and we're not buried in hundreds or thousands of tax returns. No more, we filed an extension on your behalf emails. Unless, of course, there is a legitimate good reason why we both decide to file an extension. I should create a video on why an extension might be better. There's definitely reasons why we might do an extension. Like, waiting on a document or a status change. I'll create a video on that. And yes, Meatball, our Chief Morale Officer, fully approves of this expansion. He reviewed the numbers from heaven, and he's very happy. If you're already a bookkeeping client, reach out to us directly. We'll talk through what tax prep looks like for your situation, what we need from you, and what the timeline looks like leading up to tax season. If you're not a client yet, but you've been looking for someone who gets property management financials top to bottom, this might be the right time to have that conversation. Look, tax season doesn't have to be stressful, and it definitely doesn't have to end with an extension. When your books are clean all year and your CPA already knows your business, filing is just the finish line, not a fire drill. If you want to learn more, the link is below, or just reach out. I'm easy to talk to. I'm Peter Fider, CPA. This is Meatball Accounting. Let's make tax season something you actually feel good about. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you on the next one.